Hello everyone, welcome back to Spotter YouTube channel. Okay, in front of me there's Huawei Band 8, and in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to factory reset Huawei Band 8 via Huawei Health app. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, if you want to reset your smart band by using the phone application, your band need to be paired to your Huawei Health application on your phone. Okay, now you can go to device over there, and then you can tap on your device Huawei Band 8, and then you can scroll down, and then you can find the menu. It's called Restore Factory Settings, and then Huawei Band 8 will be removed from the app, and settings and fitness and health data on your device will be restored, and then click restore and you're done, and your Huawei Band 8 will be restored, and you can wait for a while until your smart band turn on completely and you can set it up again. Alright, here's the tutorial on how to factory reset Huawei Band 8 via Huawei Health app. Alright, thank you so much for watching.